Welcome back, Trivia Champions. It's Cooking and Cuisine Thursday. Some say there's a fake hiding here. Do you believe them? What is the primary source of fat in the Mediterranean diet? Correct, olive oil. Which of these sweeteners can also act as a humectant, helping baked goods retain moisture? Nailed it, brown sugar. Which French cooking technique involves browning meat in fat, then simmering it in liquid? Nailed it, braising. Which of these global cuisines features extensive use of fermented fish sauces, often used as a primary seasoning? Boom, correct. Southeast Asian. What property of water is manipulated when using a pressure cooker to cook food faster? Boom. Correct. Boiling point. Which cheese originated in the Emilia-Romagna region of Italy and is aged for a minimum of 12 months? Boom. Correct. Parmesan. In a baking recipe, what is the purpose of creaming together butter and sugar? Nailed it! To incorporate air and create a light and airy texture. What is the key ingredient in gumbo filet used as a thickener and flavoring in Louisiana Creole cuisine? Nailed it! Ground sassafras leaves. In the UK, what is the term often used to describe a light meal served with tea in the late afternoon? Correct, afternoon tea. Which of these is a common ingredient in the filling for Vietnamese banh mi sandwiches, often sold by street vendors? Boom. Correct, pate. New trivia every day. Tomorrow's category, famous landmarks. Be there.